Welcome back. So this particular question gives various instances and we have to state with reasons which of these cannot possibly represent one-dimensional motion of a particle. So we'll be taking these instances one by one and we'll discuss. So let us begin with the first instance. This particular graph x versus t cannot represent the one-dimensional motion of a particle, as the particle cannot be at two positions at the same instance. Now look at the second instance. It's a graph of v versus t. So this cannot represent one-dimensional motion of a particle again, as the particle cannot be traveling at two velocities at the same instance. The third graph gives speed time and projects a speed time relationship, but it cannot represent one dimensional motion of a particle, as the particle cannot have negative speed. Now the last instance depicts a relationship between length time. Now this cannot represent one dimensional motion of a particle, as the total path length cannot decrease. Hope they are clear. See you in the next one.